Now we will see how to create, say, MariaDB RDS in AWS using Terraform. And already we know what are the parameters. Already we have seen AWS official documentation, like here. Start the link. Same code. You can refer to the Terraform official site. Manage AWS RDS instances. Here, this is the official page. Already we have seen. And here is they have given a sample repository, which we have to clone. Then go to this directory. And then here is a code. They are calling VPC using module. So we are going to see how Terraform modules in next section. Then they are calling VPC module subnet group. Then this is a code only. Here what we have to select. Here they have given Postgres. What we have to select engine is MariaDB. Go to DB. Then click on Create Database. Manually, here engine option is MariaDB. Let me open Visual Studio Code. I have cloned this repository. Already you know the code. Let me open once again. Click on File, open folder. Here is my folder, which I have cloned the repo here. Open folder. As per the instruction, Terraform official site, we have to clone this directory. Go to this directory, then you will find this code. What is this code here? Main.tf. Main.tf. Here is a provider AWS where.region already we know. For now, we have given this access key and security key. But real-time scenario, we don't give this access key and security access key. Then availability zone, the available nothing for now. VPC, we are calling this VPC module from Terraform. Then VPC name is education, the CIDR block, then availability zone, then public subnet. Already you know. Then all this parameter, then subnet group, then AWS security group. Here an inbound and outbound rule. We are calling opening 3306 port number. Then tag we have given name, then DB parameter group. So this parameter group, here we have to select or it will create. If you go here, or you can give your custom group name. If you go here, RDS, here is the option, parameter groups. And here we can see this parameter group. Okay. So here we are creating new parameter group. Then this is the actual code. What is the code? This is to create RDS instance. That resource name we have to give AWS DB instance, and given name is education. Identify this one. Using AWS console, we had given name demo. Now here we are giving education. Instance class DB3 micro, allocation storage only 5, or you can give 20. Then engine MariaDB, engine version is 10.6.10. Here, if we go here, here engine type MariaDB, then engine version is 10.6.10. Then username, giving admin, and DB password it will ask for while creating. Then we are selecting subnet group, security group, then parameter group, then public accessible true. For now we are giving this demo. And then skip panel snapshot, we don't need snapshot. So these parameters we are selecting only. Okay. This remaining parameter you can give, okay, but we have to write all the detailed code. Okay. You can add in this section all the parameter, and if you go here AWS official site, there are multiple parameters. In real-time scenario, we use the models that we are going to cover in the next session. Let me scroll. See here, there are multiple parameters: log group, instance address, ARN, availability zone, engine, instance ID, instance name, all this one. So in the real-time scenario, we will select all these one, and we will use only modules. Either you can use Terraform module which are given by Terraform, or we can develop your custom module. Okay, so that we will learn slowly. So for now, just keep remember, this is the only code, and how to create VPC, so just we are calling VPC module here, additional parameter only here, so security group opening, this ingress and inbound and outbound port number, we are giving tag parameter group. That's only additional code is here. And then here, so first Terraform command is Terraform init. Any slides? Next command is Terraform. Then it will ask for DB password, which we have given here, in variables. Already we have covered this, that's why I have not explained. In variable we have given region, US East to AWS region, then DB password it will ask. Okay, variable DB password, because this is sensitive, is it true? That's why it will ask on output. So here is a main file is main.tf, variables.tf, and Terraform version.tf. Then enter value. Here we have to give password. In plan means Terraform plan means if you have any error in our Terraform code, it will just validate. Okay. Now it is saying our Terraform code is valid. Just you have to run Terraform apply. Clear the screen. Next command is Terraform apply. Enter the password. And then here we have to type yes. Okay, now it's creating parameter group, VPC, all this one. We have to wait for a couple of minutes. Already we have created EC2 instance to connect RDS. We don't need EC2 instance. Then if we go RDS, you have given name RDS education, status is creating, and here we can check VPC, subnet, all the options. You can check logs and event, what's happening. In configuration, instance class, storage, configuration. To go here, Terraform code, still it is creating. Let's exit from there. Same step to connect this RDS also. It's taking time. Next, we will cover in next section, that is Terraform module. You can go to official site, Terraform models. Or you can search Terraform AWS module. For AWS specific, there are multiple models like for VPC, for IAM, security group, EKS, S3 bucket, Lambda, RDS, Project Factory, is for Google Cloud, multiples. Okay. Okay, here we have to select cloud provider. Our cloud provider is AWS. There are multiple like ACM, EC2 Instance, and then auto scaling, SQS, all this one. We will cover 2-3 modules like VPC, and then Lambda, then EKS cluster. Here all instructions are given. Before that, you have to understand Terraform models, basics. Okay. Here you can go to this link. I will share with you in this document. Terraform models means already there is a code, just you have to reuse. You have to change your setting, your provider access key, secret key, variables, all these things. You don't have to write much Terraform code, you can reuse. So why we use models? You can organize configuration, encapsulate configuration, reuse configuration, provide consistency, ensure best practice, self-service. Then they have like Terraform model structure. Like in a dots directory, we have the license, readme, main dot variables, outputs. Like this also we have copied clone from Terraform official site. It contains main outputs variable version. Okay, so like this is the structure. How to call module, best practices all are given. You can read. Here, if we go here, our creation of MariaDB RDS instance is complete. Then apply complete for added this one. Then let's go to the AWS console. We can refresh. Status is available. Click on your RDS instance. Here you will get your new endpoint URL. Port number is that only 3306. Same, already we have EC2 instance. This is our syntax. With this, then copy this endpoint. replace here with this command and run here. EC2 Instance. Give the password. Okay, now we have connected to MariaDB RDS instance. Show data pieces. Okay. There we had created test database. Here it is not showing. Okay. So in this scenario, we have created RDS MariaDB RDS in AWS using Terraform and connected RDS from EC2 instance by installing MariaDB client. And this is the syntax.